We all know that a good morning skincare routine is very essential for maintaining healthy and radiant skin throughout the day. So here's a general guide for a morning skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities, excess oil or residue from your nighttime routine. Look for a cleanser that suits your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, combination or sensitive. After cleansing, apply a toner to balance the pH of your skin and help prepare it for the next step. Toners can also provide additional hydration and remove any remaining traces of dirt or makeup. If you use serum, now is the time to apply them. Serums are concentrated formulas that target specific skin concerns such as hydration, brightening, or anti-aging. Apply a few drops of your chosen serum and gently pat it into your skin. Apply a small amount of eye cream to the delicate skin around your eyes because eye cream can help reduce your puffiness, dark circle, and fine lines. Gently pat the product with your ring finger to avoid tugging or pulling on your skin. Follow up with a moisturizer to hydrate and protect your skin. Choose a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type, whether it's the lightweight lotion, gel or cream. Massage it onto your skin using upward motion. The most crucial step in the morning skincare routine is applying sunscreen. So even if you don't plan on spending most time outdoors, choose a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and apply it generously to your face and neck. Or you can reapply it throughout the day if necessary. If your lip tends to get dry or chapped, apply a nourishing lip balm to keep them hydrated and protected. If you wear makeup, you can proceed with your makeup routine after allowing the skincare product to absorb into your skin. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so feel free to adjust the routine based on your skin needs and any specific concern you may have. Additionally, consulting with a dermatologist can provide personalized advice for your skincare routine.